Hi guys, welcome back to my fake cooking show today, and today I'm showing you how to make tofu scramble. Normally we have this for breakfast, but today we are doing for lunch. So here we go. And so far I have 1 cup of onion, diced, and then 1 cup of corn, and then 1 cup of mushroom, and 1 cup of bell pepper, and I have it sauteed over here. So you see that we sauteed the onions already cooked. And then next, let me drop this table more. After this, we're going to add a teeny bit more water, and then we're going to go ahead and add all of our spices. We have garlic over here, salt and pepper, cilantro, and cumin. And then we also have, I'm going to do diced tomato today. Is 14.5 ounces. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. And then when I have it open, I'm going to pour it in the pan. And then stir it really well before we add any more ingredient. So far it looks like this with tomato in it. And then next we're going to do pepper. Like 3 straight, you don't need too much otherwise. Unless you really like pepper, so 1, 2, 3. So this tofu scramble serve about 6 people. So if you want to know how much. So far I have, this is basically like tacos, tofu scramble taco you have for breakfast. So I have tortilla, and this is the tofu I got from Costco. And you can also find them at AGB, pretty much anywhere now. And this is extra firm, so just letting you guys know. And then I have jalapeno, if you guys like jalapeno in the taco, and cheese. So this is it starting getting boiling. We're going to go ahead adding some salt. So we're going to add half a teaspoon. We don't need too much other salt too. To half of this. I'm going to put it in here. And then I have garlic. My family loves a lot. My family likes a lot of garlic, so I'm going to do 1 tablespoon. I said maybe not 1 tablespoon, right? Oh, not. Make sure you get it flat if you do it. So about this much. And then I'm going to put in. And then next, we're going to do cumin and cilantro. So 3 shapes each as well, same as the pepper. Okay. And then cilantro. You can also do fresh if you want. So when I have dry, so I'm doing dry cilantro. And I'm going to stir all of this together. And then next, I'm going to add my tofu. So everything's already started boiling, so it's just like gonna add the tofu next, so it will suck up the flavor. And so this is 2 boxes of tofu that I have right here. And some people like to mash the tofu, or you could slice them as a cube. So either way, it does not really matter which way you want it. So sometimes I just crumble it like this. So. And then I also have the spinach over here that I like to add. So just get some more colorful taco. Yeah. And then we're gonna stir this together. Make sure you get all of it, and if you need more water, add another thing of water in. So if I look like this, I'm gonna add a bit more water in this pot. So I'm adding 1/3 cup of water right now so we wanna burn the under the pan. And then we're gonna stir really well, and then you can see the tofu is just soak in the liquid over here. So I might need to add more water. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the spinach. So I have 1 cup of spinach that is not diced yet. It's round in 1 cup, and I dice it to like a smaller. This one is huge. So go ahead and put this in, and then stir. And then you can see the spinach already getting ready to dissolve, or not dissolve, cook, so the leaves like twinkling that.
You mean wilt? Do you mean the spinach is starting to wilt?
Yeah, there you go. Well, I can't bring it real quick. And then, so it's getting there. It's almost done. So this is very simple recipe, and it tastes really good. And I like it to have it for breakfast. But today we're having it for lunch. So, and then next we're gonna have our tortilla ready. So good. You could do corn tortilla or flour, whatever you prefer, and then go ahead for one, and then stir this to more. So yeah, so I had cheese and jalapeno, I will tell you, and then you can also add salsa. This is vegan cheese and jalapeno. You can also add salsa if you like salsa. So, and go ahead and get some taco in. So look at this so far. And then you can see all the vegetable. And if you have too much liquid, just let it keep cooking until all the liquid are gone. So just so your taco not dripping and all messy. And then go ahead and add some jalapeno. And also some vegan cheese. Yeah, so far, so the tofu soak up the liquid, and now it's getting ready to cook off the liquids now. Because this tofu that, why is this why this tofu is soaking up the liquor, because we froze it first, and then that's why, and then we defrost it. That's why it's different from not frozen to frozen. So that's not frozen, because normally you bought the store, it's just you have to press the tofu and but when you frozen it and then defrost it, and then you can easily squeeze the water out. So that's why this is absorbing the water, and then later I want to let go of it. So yeah, that's why it's so with water right now, because it's frozen tofu inside of it.
But
And then-
because it's frozen, it'll absorb more of the flavor though.
No, I don't know. I think I prefer it not frozen. And then we're gonna try this. See? Okay, and next week we are doing. I'm gonna teach you how to make dumpling, and I hope you guys like the tofu scramble we made today, and I will see you guys next week.